Hello, kids. Welcome to your tiny tales.
Deep in the sparkly blue ocean, Lulu the baby whale loved to sing and spin. But one day, her favorite coral playground was covered in floating trash. "Oh no, my ocean is messy," Lulu cried. Just then, her friend Tiki the turtle popped up with an idea. "Let's make a bubble net," he said. Lulu blew big, swirling bubbles in a circle, and Tiki helped guide floating wrappers and bottles into it. Soon, fish and crabs joined the fun. Everyone helped clean their home. When the ocean sparkled again, the jellyfish lit up the night in a glowing thank you dance. Lulu twirled and sang with joy, her heart feeling big and bright. Moral: even little ones can make a big splash when they care for the world.